Hey there, my name is Miss Guy, and I will be your ACA 122 instructor for the semester. I just wanted to take a moment and say hello and introduce myself and review a few things for you to make sure that you are prepared for Monday, which is the first day of spring 2022 classes. So welcome to ACA. Again, my name is Miss Guy. I am the lead ACA instructor at Nash Community College, and I am also a sociology instructor here at Nash. I am super excited to get everyone started for the semester. I hope that y'all are ready and excited, just like I am. What you are seeing on your screen is what you will see on Monday once you get into Moodle. So there are several portals on our website that will take you to your Nash Community College student email account, to Moodle, and to WebAdvisor. And in order to access your online class, you will go into Moodle. You'll find your courses listed, and you'll select ACA to get to where I am now. So I want to bring your attention to a couple of things and then tell you what to do on Monday once your access to Moodle has opened. So for starters, I want to raise attention to the whole class number and section number. So our class is ACA 122 OL01, and it is going to be very important for me when you communicate with me via email to make sure that ACA 122 OL01 is in the subject line of all of your email communications to me. This is because I am teaching 9 different classes this semester, some of them ACA, some of them sociology, and I just need to know what class you're in and what section number you're in so I can answer your emails and your questions and your concerns as quickly as possible. So please make sure to remember that. And I will just take you through here and show you what you will see on Monday. One reminder that you do need to pay very close attention to is that there are a lot of things in this class that you will not be able to access unless you are signed into your Nash Community College student email account. So make sure you have that up on your screen as well as Moodle when you're working in this course. The first item that you'll see in our Moodle class is the course syllabus. Then you're going to see a due dates document, and then you're going to see a online grading breakdown. So the course syllabus is definitely something that you need to click on and you need to read through. There is a late work policy in this course. One of the items that the state tells us that we have to teach in this course is time management. And so the late work policy is there for that purpose. There are assignments inside of ACA that you are not allowed to submit after the deadline, and that ties right into that state objective of teaching college students how important time management is. The due dates document for the course will list out every single deadline and due date that we have for the semester. You may want to print that out and put that up somewhere so you're well aware of when things are due. And then the grading breakdown document shows you each assignment in the course and where it falls into the grading category. So that may be something of interest to you. Moving down, the first thing that you will see is something called the enrollment verification activity. And you'll need to open that section, and you will do that just by clicking on this gray bar. You can open and close sections like that. That might be helpful for you as we go through the semester. So this is how you establish attendance in an online course, and you will do this in every single online course that you are taking this semester. The first thing you're going to do is click on this link here that says Enrollment Verification Activity. It's going to ask you a couple of questions, such as, did you read the syllabus? And you're going to say yes because you did read the syllabus. And then it's also going to direct you to complete an online orientation. Now, this is the same online orientation that Nash used last semester. So if you took any classes here last semester, it'll be the same certificate. If you did not take any classes here last semester, then you will complete the online orientation that you are prompted to complete once you click on this link. When you get to the end of that orientation, it will immediately give you a certificate, and you are going to take that file and you are going to upload it into this link, the link that says upload your NCC orientation certificate here. So just verify that your certificate says 2021/2022 school year, and then pop that right there in that submission link, and you'll be good to go. At that point, the remainder of the course that you are allowed to see will open up for you. There's a resource and material section. Feel free to browse, but then you're probably ready to jump into session 1. That will be all that will be available to you on the first day of class, just the enrollment verification activity and the session 1 coursework. You will receive an email on the first day of class, which will be next Monday or this coming Monday, that will give you information about session 1. And the very first thing in that email is going to tell you to make sure that you watch the directions video. So every week you will see that I have recorded for you a directions video for that coursework. You'll need to watch that video, and then you will complete the 2 activities for the week. So you'll notice that we have 15 sessions throughout the semester, and every week there are 2 assignments that will be submitted. So hopefully you will be able to kind of get in a groove of when you are going to get your 2 assignments for ACA completed each week. As a reminder, we do have Tuesday deadlines. The deadline is 11:55 p.m., but I just want to be clear that at exactly 11:55 p.m., Moodle shuts down your ability to complete any of the assignments for the week. So you have to have things submitted no later than the clock striking 11:55 p.m. So if I were you, I would never wait until a Tuesday night to start doing my work. I would make sure that I psych myself out and tell myself maybe my work is due on Sunday. So I'll just do my work on Sunday, or my work is due on Monday. Please don't wait until the last moment to get started on your work. That is always a recipe for disaster or for something to go wrong. And like I said before, time management is part of the state requirement for us to teach in this course. And so we intertwine that pretty heavily into your assignment and your expectations. The only other thing that I want to draw your attention to is sometimes when students get started in Moodle and they're not familiar with the format, there is a way that you kind of get caught into one of these click right screens where you don't view the course horizontally. It is activity by activity once you click to the right. And so I'll just bring your attention to that because it is very difficult for students to maneuver around the course once they do that. So just make sure if you get into a situation where you're not really sure how the format of your screen has changed, always go to the top, click on the link for the ACA course, and then it will bring you back to the main page, and you will be able to scroll vertically, not horizontally, up and down to see what you are working on. Then every Friday, a new session will open up, and you will receive a new email with directions and helpful tips and tricks. And so once we get started in the groove, you'll kind of see how that works. Every Friday you get an email, every Tuesday you have a deadline. The last thing I'm going to tell you is I am here. I am ready to help you. I want to help you. The purpose of this course is to establish a relationship between your instructor and yourself, and for you to do some self-reflection and some learning about our college in general, as well as college skills that would help you be successful. So if you have a question, I want you to reach out. Send me an email. It doesn't matter what day or what time it is. I'm pretty active in email at all times, even when I'm not sitting at my desk. You're not going to wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning when you send me an email, because I don't have the little dings on my phone to wake me up at night. So please, whenever you're working, if you have a question, send me an email and I'll be happy to help. We can communicate via email, or we can meet here on campus, or if we need to, we can do a video meeting. So I'm going to be your #1 fan, supporting you through this semester and trying to incorporate some helpful tips and tricks of how you can be successful in college. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Get a little bit of rest, because when Monday gets here, your spring semester is going to start, and you're probably going to get busy pretty quickly. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to getting to meet you and work with you further in the semester.